Good morning, all the student of class 2. Welcome to your math class, student. So, student, already we had started the chapter measurement of length, isn't it? So, today we will do some subtraction from the exercise. Okay. So, open the page number 148. Okay. Open page number 148 from your composite book, math composite book. Okay. So, few subtraction I will explain for you, and rest of all you will try to do by yourself. Okay. So let's see the first one. So here you can see that this is the same easy subtraction, only the things you have to be notice here that you have to be mention the unit. Okay, as because this is the subtraction for measurement of length. Okay, so see here, so look at here, the 3 is on the top and 6 on the below. Now 3 is smaller than 6, that's why we have to be think 3 as 13, and for that this 6 will reduce by 1 and it will become 5. Now after 6 we have to be count up to 13 until it's come. So after 6 it's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's 7 finger. Now then after that, after 3 we have to be count it's a 2. So after 3 it's 4 and 5. So it's become 2 fingers. So the answer become 27. Okay. Then after that, look at the next math here. That here 1 is on the top and 9 on the below. Now 9 is bigger than 1, and that's why we have to be think the top one as 11. So whenever we will try to think it as 11, so we will slightly strike this one, and on the top we will write down 11, and then after for that this 9 will reduce by 1 and it will become 8. Okay. So after 9 start counting is a 10, 11, 2 finger, and after 2 if you start counting so it will become 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's become 6 finger. Now it's centimeter. So the thing is important here that you have to be mention the unit. Okay, so 62 centimeter. Now come to the next math. So in those math you will get that meter and centimeter both unit are present over there. So as I told so many times that whenever you will write these types of math on your copy, you should give some space between meter and centimeter. Okay. Now let's start it. So first of all we will complete the centimeter part subtraction, and then after that we will complete the meter part subtraction. Okay. So look at here that 3 is here and 7 on the below of 3. So as we all know that 3 is smaller than 7, so we can't subtract 7 from 3. So that's why we have to make 3 13, and for that this 4 will reduce by 1 and it will become 3. Okay. So after 7 start counting, it's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's become 6 finger, and after 2 it's 1, 3. Okay. So they see, look at here that centimeter part is completed. So we can put here now centimeter. Okay. Now see here that here 1 is smaller than 9, that's why we will strike the 1, we will take it as 11, and then after that the 6 will become 5. Okay. So after 9 it's 10, 11, 2 and 2, and this after 1 it's 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 4. So 42 meter 16 centimeter. Okay. Now taken a little bit different types of example. Meter, centimeter. 103 meter 45 centimeter 68 meter 28 centimeter. Okay, minus. Now look at here. So here also you can see that the 5 is smaller than 8, so that's why this 5 will become, we have to be think 5 as 15, and for that this 4 will reduce by 1 and it will become 3. Now after 8, if you start counting, it's a 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So when it's at the time of 7 finger, it's become 15. So it's 7. So after 2, it's 3, means 1 finger. So 17 centimeter. Okay. Then after that, after 8, so here also it will become 13, and for that it will become 9. So after 8, it's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 5 finger. After 6, it's 7, 8, 9, 3 finger. It will become 3 finger. And now see, student, that here 0 on the top, isn't it? Now, so is 0 means it, so we can't subtract 6 from 0, isn't it? So that's mean we have to be think it as 10 first. Now how it's become 10? So that's mean from here it takes 1, so this 1 will reduce and it will become 0. Now whenever it become 13, so that means it will reduce by 1 and it will become 9. So that's why here 0 will come. So 35 meter 17 centimeter. Okay. So in this way, try to practice all the maths from this chapter. On subtraction. Okay. That's all for today. On the next day, we will do some story sum from this chapter. Okay. Bye bye all of you.